On the 5th of March 2024, during a gathering facilitated by the Director General of Police Meghalaya, L.R. Bishnoi, the media was briefed on several concerns regarding the law and order situation and the upcoming general elections in the state. Regarding the recent apprehension of Storji Lingdor, a self-proclaimed PSO associated with the outlawed HNLC group, it was disclosed that evidence linking him to extortion cases was found in data extracted from the mobile phones recovered from him. The Deputy Inspector General of Police, TAP, Claudia Lingua, underscored that all individuals affiliated with the banned HNLC group would face legal consequences. Despite rigorous law enforcement, she affirmed that peace negotiations between the central and state governments and the HNLC would continue.
HNLC, as you all know, from a government side, the initiative is always there from the very beginning, and to date, our doors are also still open for peace talks with the banned HNLC. So, if you all are curious, recently there was arrest of the HNLC cadre, Storji Lingdor, who had sneaked from Bangladesh. And if you recall, he was also part of the peace talk when the members had come over to talk with the government. And unfortunately, it was learned from credible information that he had sneaked back from Bangladesh, and he was finally arrested by the East Khasi Hills police. And from his mobile phone only we learned that there has been a lot of extortion and demands made on a lot of people. So in this particular case, there is nothing from our side that this peace talk will not continue. It will still continue, and our doors are always open. The person had gone to Bangladesh, and that's also clearly understood. If he had wanted to surrender, he was always here in Shillong all the while. The police, the government was talking. So from our point of view, the going back to Bangladesh and coming back from Bangladesh here, what does that imply? And I leave it to your own understanding. As of date, from the knowledge that we have, the strength of the cadres are barely 20 to 30.
The weapons?
Weapons, we will not be able to say what kind of weapons they have over there, but as of here, I think they have very little weapons with them.
So the operations will continue despite the government's initiative for talks?
No, these are not operations. We never initiated anything. If somebody commits a crime, whether it is HNLC or any other normal person, the law will take its own course. No, the question of surrender doesn't arise. They're already in a peace talk. So we are talking with them, and the ball is always open. We have never ever expressed any unwillingness. We have been always there to talk.
On the resurgence of the GNLA in the Garo Hills, the Superintendent of Police for North Garo Hills, Bruno A. Sangma, reported that 7 to 8 individuals are involved in reviving the militant faction, of whom 3 have been apprehended. The detained members include Singsan K. Marak, Tilja Marak, and Surya Sangma.
Regarding regrouping of GNLA, in the month of February 7th, there was a social media posting saying that GNLA has regrouped. And on the 25th of February 2024, we have received one FIR in Calcutta PS. And based on the FIR which we received, we have conducted investigations. And so far, till date, we have arrested 3 people in this regard. And the names of those people are Singsan Kemara from Resugelpara, Khada, and he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Tilja Sangma from Adogre, he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Surya Sangma from Adogre only, he is 32 years of age. As of now, investigation is going on, and we have seized mobile phones from their possessions which were used in the crime along with SIM cards. So as of now, investigation is going on. Sri Sengsan K. Mara is an ex-militant group. He has been rehabilitated, and he is the main culprit in this case in North Garo Hills. He has been wanted in Assam police as well. Assam court has given NPWA against him, and we'll be handing him over to Assam police as when the investigation is over in North Hills. So far, investigation is going on, and more arrests will take place. There are around 7 to 8 members in this regroup, so we will not be sparing them, and we'll be going after them. As of now, we have seized mobile phones which have been used in the crime because they have demanded fund ransom of 20,000 from the victim in North Carolina. As of now, Singh San is the only member we have arrested who is a trained member. So he was an ex-ULA member, United Archer Division Army, that's all. Regarding that, I would like to say that most of the arms hidden by JNLA have been recovered and seized in Vilamnagar. Many of the arms have been recovered during my time when I was posted there. So as of now, recently we don't have any seizure. Thank you.
Let me speak factually because I cannot guess. As per the input received, so far the 6 youth were associated with the GNLA R group. Okay. GNLA R group came into our notice after the Facebook post on probably 7th February 2024. And out of those 6 youth, 3 were already arrested. Other 3 are already identified. They are absconding. So we will not allow any illegal activities by any groups. That much I can say.
Any political backing to this group?
Difficult to say. I don't think so. Because mostly their aim, some vested interest youth are there. Their main aim is to extort money and to go for quick buck, overnight. All those things are there in